First, the headlines. 120th birth anniversary of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee observed today. $250 grams of heroin worth 20 lakhs seized by District Police, Bishnupur. And Mary Kom to be flag bearer at Olympics alongside Manpreet Singh. Hello and good evening. Welcome to ELITETV English News. This is UTPALA Konsam. Now the news in detail. 120th birth anniversary of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee observed today at the Manipur BJP office. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, BJP State President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Devi and Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Lashemba Sanajauba, along with the other attendees, offered a floral tribute to the photo of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. Speaking to media persons, CM Chief Minister N. Biren extended best wishes to the people of India and Manipur on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. Shyama Prasad. We should follow his footsteps of nationalism and a unified India, he added.
भारत की अपुन सकम द भारत के अमत होने लेगदमनि वन इंडिया होगदमनि हैबी वाखलोन द मपुनसी बिखम नखिबा सैक्रिफाइस होखिबा अदुगुंबा अमत ngairba भारत की लीडर ने नै कोई हाइबदा हाइमन मथोय मरमदि आर्टिकल 70 की मतंग द न्यू constitution new flag की मतंग बमाना कश्मीर चलग तौकिबा एजुकेशन अदुग कश्मीर मक्तदा श्रीनगर मागी पुंसी लोंगिबा मदुगी वारी मयामदुना it proved that he is a real nationalist. Aduna I convey my happiness on his birthday. Magi remembering ningsangba aduga magi wakhalon do dekho mayam punna lehori ba bharat basi punna mangna sanana bhona si
On the other hand, BJP President A. Sarda spoke on how mass tree plantation in connection with Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee's birth anniversary will help to save the environment in the long run and will fight against the ongoing pandemic.
Miyoibagi punsira singnarakpa asingma mayam singa singang thokpada adungba environment ki achouba mateng ama darkar lei haidana adungba tree plantation na chingba singumba aikogi program singa si chatharakpani aduna aikoi chathajaraiba program si makhatana aikoina ngasi phawbada chatharaiba se tungi lambida aikogi ahal loiraba lai guru singna thambiremba tunglam chatta aikoina tawba yaba punimak ase aikoi ngasi Bharatiya Janata Party wakar aikoi punna changsin minadana adugumba shanti leiba lamda mama puraksi haiba wakal lolda koi pangtok.
District Police Bishnupur seized 250 grams of heroin number 4 worth 20 lakhs in the global market from Kwakta Municipal Council Ward number 8 yesterday. The person in possession of the drugs is one Muhammad Fakruddin, aged 35, son of Muhammad Suraj Ali, says SP Bishnupur Hobson Sapam in a press conference. He further said how a tip-off from Kwakta area led a team of district police to do a special drive in Tidim Road and nearby areas of Kwakta. On checking Muhammad Fakruddin, who came in a blue Dio scooter from Kwakta Maronglau side, the said drugs were found in 20 soap cases in the vehicle. A case has already been registered with Moirang Police to take the further necessary action. He expressed his gratitude to the people for helping the government and the district police in the fight against drug and appealed to the people to continue to do so.
Logi matungina Moirang Police Station da tinaraga NDP SK makhada khoina case ma register tawjabani masida ina mayamda appeal tawjaningba mana Manipur government na amasung district administration na war against drug ta yamna kanna tungi orakadoriba yumbirin obirakadoriba icha inausing amsung samajigi mahik oiba sumba drug karwa tabu mayam maru phangna muthadaba honabibada public na sajok pina biktra district police na asigumba afa apun obongam jabasi aina police mateng pangmirakiba public sing dusu aina yamna thakatpa amasung ko nona thakra phongdok chari.
Advocacy program cum discussion for faith-based organization on strengthening of COVID-19 vaccination was held today at DSSS Manipur under National Health Mission and State Health Security Society. Speaking in the program, Dr. K.H. Sashikumar, Additional Director, Health of Medical Directorate, said the COVID virus can infect us from any point. Apart from being careful, the people should get vaccinated. The pandemic situation is very bad in Imphal West, while Farzao is doing the best. The people should be cautious and do not believe hearsay remedies, he added.
It may enter from any direction to your village. It may enter from any direction in your house. It can enter your body from any direction. Today, on the 3rd July 2021, officially 71,643 persons are listed in our government's official record as infected. 1,186 of them have unfortunately lost their lives. It is possible that many deaths, many cases went unreported.
Dr. N. Shamjai, State Mission Director and State COVID-19 Vaccination in Charge for NHM, said around 7 lakhs of people in the state have been vaccinated. Vaccination will be done including Sundays, and if everyone is vaccinated, we can be protected against the third wave, he added.
So when we find out from the Chief Electoral Officer is that there are around 19 lakhs and 58,000 people. Main chunk of the population that is below 18 is a very big chunk. It takes around, say, 45% of the population is the day the child is born and up to the 18 years. Not above the 18 years, up to the 18 years, make up around, say, 40 to 45 of our population. So I think that 20 lakhs, 19 lakhs must be correct.
816 kg of ganja seized by Juribam police from a truck coming from Imphal yesterday. The Lengang Pokpi police outpost team seized the items, which were being transported in 77 packages from an Ashok Leyland truck registration number WB19F7803. The persons apprehended are Ashish Ankur, age 48, son of late Sitai Ankur, and Bikar Roy, age 34, son of Jagdish Roy, both from West Bengal. The items along with the two individuals were handed over to Jiribam police, and a case has already been registered. A team of the narcotics cell of Jiribam police seized around 2,000 bottles of 100 ml codeine cough syrup yesterday. The police team at Lengang Pokpi, Jiribam seized the items from a Tata truck registration number AS01KC7351 coming from Assam. The person apprehended is one Alauddin Ahmed, age 25, son of Garib Ali. A case has been registered in the matter. Stay tuned, we'll be right back after a short break.
Shraddha Aikhoi Khwaigi Irakta Tinbiramba Yumnam Bhumi Singna Magi Nuksijaraba Imung Manu Shagai Natei Amasung Marup Mapang Khwai Pumnamakpu Thaduk Lamlaga Hau Kiba June Gitang Kunmapan Ingagi Kunni Panba Lepak Pupanumita Shri Guru Gi Kripadagi Brindavan Prapti Oikre Lak Libak July Gitarani Thoi Ingengi Nini Panba Ningthau Kaba Numita Sorat Numit Thokle COVID Lachet Namaram Oiraga Thauram Asi Imung Manung Kakta Oina Pangthok Jaragani Mashigi Damakta Waro Bidanaba Nalukjari Paujen Jariba Yumnam Tombino Devi Shadharmini Yumnam Chiteshwar Singh Machanupa Yumnam Johnson Singh Machanupa Yumnam Roshni Devi Machanupi Yumnam Ombi Madhuri Devi Mamaunupi Yumnam Ranjita Devi Machanupi.
Ai koi big sing ka place Ai koi big sing ka place Hani ki punchi sau khat khong thang Hanjil si Jati bi zati khai den Corona lang chal thek ne rase 완전 백내레세 아이코 백신가 플레시 코로나 비nom시 bunchi saukhar mai kaida hanna palese bunchi saukhar mai kaida hanna palese
asengmune akhoi pone vaccine kap thokuna corona de ngak thokuna hani punsi bu hanjano hana bada adum sorok yabi
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. Manipur Education and Fisheries Minister Sorokhaibam Rajen Singh, in a post-lockdown trip to New Delhi, has met central ministers and senior bureaucrats of the Ministry of Education and Ministry of Fisheries, Government of India, today to discuss about various project proposals of the state. In a post-lunch meeting with Giriraj Singh, Union Cabinet Minister for Ministry of Fisheries, in his office chamber at Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi, Rajen Singh updated the progress of fisheries sector in Manipur and also submitted project proposals for construction of state-of-the-art wholesale fish market in Imphal and Bishnupur districts during the financial year 2021-22, establishment of brood banks, cold storage, mini-feed mills, and rejuvenation of government and divested fish farms in the state. The Union Fisheries Minister, after a patient hearing, has assured of all possible assistance for improvement and expansion of fisheries sector so as to enhance productivity and production of fish and conservation of indigenous fish species. The meeting was also conducted by M. Hare Krishna Singh, Commissioner Fisheries, Government of Manipur Sagar Mehra, Joint Secretary, Department of Fisheries, Government of India, and H. Balkrishna Singh, Director of Fisheries, Manipur. Later in the afternoon, Manipur Education Minister met Anita Karwal, Secretary of Ministry of Education, Government of India at Shastri Bhavan, and discussed about promotion of Meitei Mayek in school education by providing necessary funding. The ministry officials assured of all possible assistance in materializing the proposal as a one-time financial measure. M. Hare Krishna Singh, Commissioner Schools Education, Government of Manipur, and L. Nandakumar Singh, Director Schools Education, Manipur, accompanied the minister during the meeting. Sorokhaibam Rajen Singh, Minister Education, Manipur, also met the senior officials of University Grants Commission UGC and initiated the process for recognition of Manipur Technical University MTU Takelpat under Section 12B of the UGC Act 1956 in order to facilitate establishment of a full-fledged technical university in Manipur. M. Hare Krishna Singh, Commissioner Schools Education and Vice Chancellor MTU, and Shri N.G. Bhogendra Meitei, Registrar MTU, accompanied the minister in the meeting. HHP Telehealth, organized by Helping Hands for People Manipur, ended yesterday. Starting from June 1st, the free online doctor consultation service was started to help the patients after OPD had been closed post-COVID. 36 doctors from different departments participated voluntarily in the 35-day program and gave free consultation to patients. Helping Hands for People has helped the poorer section of the society in Manipur in the past and will continue to do so, says HHP Manipur Secretary M. Premjit Singh.
Helping Hands for People Manipur da awa na tarba miyoi ka da mating pangli. Laita larabana maram oiraga laying bangam jadraba patient kya da mating tawduna laying biri. Masiga loina na ana laying da igi darkar lako matamda Helping Hands for People Manipur ki volunteer sing chatuna igi mating pangli makata na su pangki gani. Service asida apunba call chatret ka taramari receive tawki aduga apunba patient Samri ga matfu marina tongan ba doctor singa tana jaraga laying thi. Hari ba free online doctor consultation service asida mating tawbiti haiduna voluntarily chongthok pirakhiba Dr. Khudimaku Helping Hands for People Manipur ki maikei degi nolukpagalune na tawbiban khangbuchari.
MLA O. Surjikumar inspected the mass vaccination and testing being done in different areas of Thoubal and Kangabok constituency in the fight against COVID-19. He also gave away essentials to the people of the constituency. Vaccination programs were held at Thoubal Moijang, Thoubal Awang Lekai and Ningombam for Thoubal constituency, and Athokpam Awang Lekai and Sangay Yumpham for Kangabok constituency. Royal Riders Manipur donated a sum of money to the Chief Minister COVID-19 Relief Fund in an effort to help the fight against COVID-19, said a release by the club. The cash was handed over to Chief Minister by representatives of Royal Riders Manipur at the CM Secretariat today. The Chief Minister also expressed his gratitude for the help given by the club. Amuko gave away eatables and essentials to 357 families in different villages under Imphal West District. Amuko, along with all Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amaova, United Clubs Organization UCO and Rural United Clubs Organization RUCO, went to the homes of poorer families and gave away the essentials today. With the goal of helping 10,000 families, Amuko has helped 5,407 families as of now. Amuko President Fairoijam Nando Luwang, Amaova President Yumkhaibam Kunjarani, United Clubs Organization UCO Uripok President A. Mukundo, and Rural Clubs United Clubs Organization RUCO Lamshang President Lokunjao were part of the program today. Sina Institute of Medical Science resume free ambulance service for pregnant women. Seeing the problems in getting ambulance by pregnant women through media, SIMS Helping Group will start the free ambulance service again, specifically for pregnant women.
Tongan print media kaya da miron bising na thengnari ba awa basing jigi damakta khallaga koina ngasi dagi hongna miron bising khaktagi oiba free ambulance service ngasi dagi pijaragani haina koina media gi khutangda thungdokjari.
Time for a short break. See you right back.
Tamo, kaino lo sandribo? As kharangana sasena harago.
Kaino sibo, kaisa pina sibo.
Hima. COVID ki vaccine kap tho sena ngara du phasna haini dudi.
Ai haksang kasu tawde. Ai kapoy. Nate, haksang kasu tawde ba ingoni da kapa kai kadena. Ai kapoy haisine.
Tamo, narak dringai dana isana hana sexil hona phatro. Kap thok puna phatabra ba.
Hoyare, section mana dum kapuro. Ai kapoy.
As khangdre da. Kamai ngana dono khangdre. Phare, adu de chalu khige. Pungo, mama inda kapuge ko, papa ga leramo.
COVID-19 लाइसेट असि ngakthon bagi damak COVID ki vaccine kapna लाइसेट असि mari lena ba laina लाइसेट singdagi ngakthok sabangami masida natana लाइसेट asina sanghandana bagi damak matam gi sarkarna pirakpa sana kangon sing aikhoi ngakna satminarasi Cowin apps ta register to biduna adomsu suksoi soidana vaccine asi kapthok pi COVID ki vaccine kapthok puna COVID laitaba iramdam mu heminarasi
aikhoi vaccine kaplese.
Welcome back. BJP State President A. Sarda Devi gave away 200 food packages to COVID-19 patients at RIMS along with Medical Superintendent in charge Professor H. Priyosakhi Devi and Director Professor A. Shanta on the occasion of the 120th birth anniversary of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. She also gave away 150 food packages to COVID-19 patients at JNIMS along with the Superintendent of JNIMS. Santosh Electronics More gave away uniform shirts to all More COVID-19 task force members yesterday. The program held at the Tamil Sangam office More was attended by Santosh Electronics proprietor Saikom Santosh, COVID-19 task force convener, members and different community leaders. The COVID-19 task force has extended help and spread awareness in different areas of More. The speakers in the program appealed to the people to unite and help COVID task force in its attempt to make More COVID-free. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD has informed that the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya are likely to experience isolated thunderstorms or heavy rainfall in the next few days. IMD says there will be fairly widespread to extensive rainfall over Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura during the next 5 days. IMD has cautioned the region to remain alert during the whole week. Mary Kom was named the flag bearer for the Indian contingent alongside men's hockey team captain Manpreet Singh at the opening ceremony of 2021 Tokyo Olympics. Mary Kom expressed her gratitude for being given this opportunity as it is her last Olympics. She further said she will do her best to come back with a medal. The Tokyo Olympics will be held from July 23rd to August 8th. Russia strongly supports the Southeast Asian diplomatic effort to end the crisis in Myanmar and has conveyed similar messages to the country's military leadership, its foreign minister said on Tuesday. The 5-point consensus agreed by the Association of Southeast Asian Nations ASEAN bloc should be the basis by which the situation can be resolved, Sergei Lavrov said during a visit to Jakarta. Myanmar has been in crisis since the military forced out Aung San Suu Kyi's elected government on February 1, unleashing nationwide anger that quickly turned into protests and strikes brutally suppressed by security forces. Germany lifts ban on travellers from India, UK and Russia. Germany is easing strict restrictions on travel from Britain, Portugal and some other countries that were imposed because of the rise of the more contagious Delta virus variant. Germany's National Disease Control Center, the Robert Koch Institute, said late Monday that Britain, Portugal, Russia, India and Nepal will be removed from the country's highest risk category of virus variant areas effective Wednesday. They will move into the second highest category of high incidence areas. The headlines once again. 120th birth anniversary of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee observed today. $250 grams of heroin worth 20 lakhs seized by District Police, Bishnupur. Mary Kom to be a flag bearer at Olympics alongside Manpreet Singh. That's all for today. Thanks for watching ELITETV English News. Stay safe and have a great evening. Goodbye.